Welcome. In this channel, we explain automotive terms. The driveline is the vehicle system that distributes power from the engine and transmission to the wheels, essentially enabling the vehicle to move. This is the drivetrain minus the transmission. It is made up of many individual components that work together. While the exact components in a driveline may vary depending on the design and configuration of the vehicle, they include driveshaft. The driveshaft, also referred to as the drive shaft, propeller shaft, or prop shaft, is the first driveline component. It transmits torque from the transmission to the differential for distribution to other driveline components. Differential. The differential is the driveline component that transmits torque to the wheels. Front-wheel drive vehicles have front differentials, rear-wheel drive vehicles have rear differentials, all-wheel drive vehicles have front and rear differentials, and four-wheel drive vehicles have differentials that control all four wheels independently. Axle shafts. Axle shafts connect to either side of the differential and extend outward toward each wheel. They rotate independently, depending on the input provided by the differentials. U-joints. U-joints, also known as universal joints, are flexible pivot points that transit power at varying angles. CV joints. CV joints, also known as constant velocity joints, are bendable joints that keep the drive wheels rotating at a constant velocity. If your driveline goes out, it is possible you will experience the following: immediate loss of steering, inability to go forward or backward, inability to accelerate, difficulty turning in either direction, excessive vibrations, knocking or clanking noises. To save more money on car expenses, claim a free engine code eraser by clicking the link here or at the description link below. You're also welcome to leave comments below. Our mechanic professionals will answer them shortly. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again for watching this video.